Hello guys, in this tutorial I want to show you what is the difference between remember and remember-saveable. So first of all we need to create some kind of counter we use. Like this one. And then we need to import, of course, some packages like this one, and this. Then we need to create some kind of button. So let's create a function above this one. So we create function called, for example, sample counter, and here we are creating a button we will be using an onClick method, and then we pass our counter that we will be increasing. Then we need to pass counter in here as an int, and then we should pass this counter as an argument, but it should be a state. So we need to do this like this. And here we are delivering counter. Then we are running our app with this counter. And of course I forget about showing value. So let's make it like this. Of course, and maybe let's center with modifier like fill max size and with some modifiers that we can make it center. Then we do this like this to wrap our button with this column, and here we have a center counter. Now we click, it's increasing, then we rotate screen and value disappear. And what is that? It is caused because our value is stored in RAM, so that every time we rotate a screen the value disappear because the life cycle is recreated. So our value is no longer in our memory. So to save our value in memory longer, in this example we use bundle, because Remembersaveable use bundle to save a value across configurations. So now when I click this button, value is increasing. Now I rotate the screen and the value stays the same because it is saved across configurations, across lifecycle callbacks in bundle. So I can even now increase value. I can even go back to main screen. I can go back and our value is still here. So when should you use it? You should use Remembersaveable when you want to save your value across configurations, like for example user text inputs, counters, and many others reasons when you need to save a value and you don't want to lose it when you, for example, change some configurations, like for example when you rotate screen or when you change a theme. But you should use remember when you want to store value temporary and you don't need to save it across screen configurations. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe and like it.